Okay, I'm under the hood now. Oh shit. So dude said it used to run before it was parked. Also, this engine, this is not a 90s engine. The truck's the van is a 92. Somebody threw an earlier model engine in this thing. There's a distributor and ignition coil, and looks from here like a Holley carburetor. And what the fuck is this? So they cut the original wiring that would for the wires for the for the whatever engine that was meant to be here. I mainly came here to grab the tire, get it inflated, and also figure out the key problem. Now I can turn the wheel. I think I'm just gonna pull it to the shop, man. That's a nice rusty looking truck. So the van is in the back area of the garage. Whoa. It's low on brake fluid, so I'm gonna top that off. As I said before, this setup, it's all rigged up, so the power wire in the back of the alternator was touching this stud right here. That's part of the alternator, which it was shorting out because it was grounding. It was just like touching this part. So what I did, I broke it loose with my wrench and just literally just pushed it off to the side, tightened it back up, and that was it. And surprisingly this thing, man, this thing starts. So I'm starting to get to know this van a little bit. So I drilled out the old ignition switch, right? So ignition switch on right now, and it has a push start button right here, and check that out. The fucking thing runs. It's not running smooth. I need to fine tune it, but that's fucking crazy. Look at that, the window rolls down. Man, that's quite nice. Oh, what is this? No power steering? Okay. So, park, reverse, neutral, drive. Okay, it's probably low on transmission fluid.